Hey everyone, I'm Marissa Leone and I'm an attorney at Calidus Legal AI. Today I'm going to show you how to draft a contract on our platform. If you go to our homepage, you can find the contract drafting tool under the AI Transactional Solutions column on the right-hand side. Go ahead and select the draft contract tool. Now, you'll be able to draft a contract in a number of ways. You can draft a contract from scratch. All you have to do is include a few details about your agreement, including the name of the contract, the industry that you're in, details about the parties to the contract, governing law, and then you'll include a few facts about the agreement to provide the tool with some guidance. You can also upload documents. It can be a playbook that you'd like to use to provide some structure to the drafting, or you can even upload a document that you'd like to use as precedent. From there, click Submit. You'll get an alert once your contract has been successfully generated at the very bottom. You can then go into the draft and you can edit a certain provision. You can add a prompt to try to generate different language into your agreement, and you can review it as you go. The best thing is that all you have to do is click download and you'll be able to receive a Word version of it. Please let me know if you have any questions and feel free to reach out to support@calidusai.com. Good luck.